Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I know I'm holding the camera. I'm gonna set it up in a second. I just took it off my tripod, but yeah, I have a natural everyday hair and makeup look. I cut my hair, so I just wanted to do my makeup and, you know, dress it up and make it real. Yeah, so we're just gonna talk for a little bit. This is really a quick, simple, and easy everyday makeup look. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Bye guys. All right, you guys, so ooh, I'm feeling this cut. I'm feeling this do. What do y'all think? Hair from Raw Hair Collection. I literally just keep cutting the same hair shorter and shorter. Alright, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me. Just bear with me a little bit. This is my first time filming in my bathroom, so yeah. I really need some moisturizer for my face. But yeah, how is everybody doing? This cut just makes me feel so fresh and so clean. Like, this is literally, you know, makeup. I just have some gloss on. I have like a little bit of mascara left over. I don't know where I want to go with this makeup look today. I kind of want to go as minimal as possible. I don't have anything done to my brows. They are just naturally this thick. I feel like if I had brow gel, they can definitely stay this look. But yeah, I'm about to fill in my eyebrows. I can't really see that good from back here. That's another issue. So okay, so now that I have my eyebrows filled in, I'm about to clean them up. Edna Who stiff wear. I put it on my hand first and then I just use my brush. I make sure that it's as flat as possible. Whew, you guys, I have been wanting to try some new foundation. I don't know, I either want to try some new foundation or some new beauty skincare stuff, because I want to just have like a everyday natural look. Even though I kind of do, like, I don't do much with my makeup, but like, I don't know, sometimes this concealer is just a little too much. Like, it's not as natural. I know my setup looks a little bit basic right now. You guys can't really see the glam side, well, not the glam side stuff, but you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna have a better setup at some point, but for right now, I'm just testing the waters in my bathroom, I guess. I might put like some pictures or something right here, just so that, I don't know, I might just put some pictures right here and like get a different shower curtain or something. I don't know, but y'all bear with me. I've been in the process of redoing my room. Like, I repainted it, got some new items and furniture and things, and I just set it up with my pieces displayed kind of everywhere, and I really like my room now. Like, it is such a vibe, you guys. I love being in my room, but it's just been a lot going on. I haven't been able to finish, so yeah. I did film that video. Let me know if you guys want to see it. I edited it, I started editing it, and it was just certain things, certain parts I just didn't like, and so right now I'm just holding on to that footage. But let me know if you guys want to see an update of my room, like an official tour. I'm definitely doing one for my studio room, definitely. I need to hurry up and finish because it's certain content that I'm just waiting to film in there, so make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates, for more videos, for more uploads, you know, all of that good jazz. Boom, face is pretty much set. This is too light for me. Like, this is a little too light for me. So what I like to do is just use my contour to kind of bring my face back to life. You guys, I have just been feeling like I just need a change in my life. Well, I'm already going through so much change in my life, but I just feel like, I don't know, I truly have been feeling like this has been my time to level up, in a sense. Not only like financially, but like mentally, emotionally, like spiritually, all that good stuff. With that being said, I do want to like try to incorporate like working out and eating healthier and just having like a better routine, better daily routine, like waking up, really just stretching, breathing, having my cup of water ready, going on a walk, a jog, doing yoga, maybe have like a nice little protein shake, a little smoothie, a acai bowl, whatever you want to call it. You know, just kind of like a healthier lifestyle. Meditate, actually write down my thoughts in my notebook and stuff. I used to do that, but lately I've been having just a lot going on, so I kind of got carried away. Not necessarily carried away, but you know, I don't know. I've just been having all my thought just wrapped up, going 1,000 miles per hour in my head, which is not good. And I feel overwhelmed, I feel a little stressed, and I feel tired. So I just feel like having a healthier diet, having a healthier routine, practicing better habits and stuff like that will definitely help like ease my tension, ease my mind, help me gain a little bit more clarity and not always feel so flustered just because I have a lot going on. I just feel like I've been having a lack of energy. I can get stuck on my thoughts often lately, and ooh, that was too much. Oh Jesus. I'm just gonna chop up my hair just a little bit so it's not so thick. But yes, she's giving everything she needs to give. I was so nervous to do this hair because I was like, what if it doesn't turn out right? I low-key have to model tomorrow. Even though I don't want to, but I need a second model, or I need a second girl. So yeah, now this hairstyle turned out super cute, and it'll be really, really cute for swimwear as well. So I'm super happy. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick, simple, easy makeup look. Like I said, I'm just testing out, I guess, different looks with my hair by like going through my old wig bin and just trying different videos, different filming setups, and I don't know, just trying to switch up my content but make it really good content. But then again, I want to post more often. So yeah, let's talk it up in the comments. I'd love to see you guys' comments and talk to you guys more in the comments. So leave a comment down below. Let me know that you made it this far. Right now I'm about to actually film, what do I have to do today? Right now I'm about to film a swimwear try on haul video. I don't know which video will go up first, but whichever way it goes, I'll just leave a little link or something in the top. You guys, I'm so blown right now. Like, I'm low-key blown, but whatever. Anyways, I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Let's see. Yeah, don't forget to shop around my hair collection on the hair and the lashes, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.